Good morning students. Standard 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations in One Variable, Part 4. Today we are going to study the last exercise from this chapter, that is exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6, question number 1, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. Write the equation once again. Now whenever equal sign comes, you can cross multiply. There is no denominator here, that means denominator is 1. Now 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. Now 3 2s are 6x. This is positive number. If it comes, it becomes negative. So 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. One positive number, one negative number we can subtract. 8 minus 6, that is 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. This is a multiplication. If it goes here, it becomes division. So x is equal to 3 by 2. It's clear? Question number 2. 9x divided by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Write the equation once again. Again, whenever equal sign comes, you have to cross multiply. So cross multiply, that is 9x is equal to 15 multiplied by bracket, that is 7 minus 6x. It's clear? Now we have to remove the bracket. So 9x is equal to 15 7s are, that is 105, minus middle sign is minus 15 6s are, that is 90x. This is minus 90x. If it goes here, it becomes plus. So 9x plus 90x is equal to 105. Now, what is 90 plus 9? 99. So, we can write like this. 99x is equal to 105. Therefore, x is equal to, this is multiplication. If it goes here, it becomes division. 105 divided by 99. Now, you can cut. Both are multiples of 3. So, that is 33. 3s are 99. And here, that is 35. So, what is the value of x? X is equal to 35 divided by 33. It's clear? Question number 3. Z divided by Z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Write the question once again. Now, equal sign comes here to cross multiply. So, here 9 multiplied by Z and 4 bracket Z plus 15. So, remove the bracket. So 9z is equal to 4 into z 4z plus 15 4s are 60. Now take variable 1z. So plus 4z, if it comes here, become minus 4z. So 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. What is the answer? 9 minus 4, that is 5z is equal to 60. Z is equal to 60 divided by 5. Now we can cut. 5 ones are 5 and here 5 12s are 60. So what is the value of Z? Z is equal to 12. It's clear? Question number 4. 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Write the question once again. Now put cross multiply, that is 5 bracket 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 bracket 2 minus 6y. It's clear? Remove the bracket. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 2s are minus 4, minus into minus, plus 2 6 are 12y. It's clear? Now take all variable one side and constant term another side. So plus 12y, if it comes here, become minus 12y. 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 plus 20 comes in become minus 20. One positive number, one negative number we have to subtract. 15 minus 12 that is 3y is equal to minus 2 minus 20. We can negative number we can add and put minus sign. We can write like this 3y is equal to minus 24. Y is equal to minus 24. This is multiplication. If it comes here, it becomes division. Minus 24 divided by 3, that is 3 ones are 3 and here 3 eights are, and here minus sign is there. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 8. It's clear? Question number 5. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Write the equation once again. Whenever equal sign comes, here to cross multiply. So that is 3 bracket 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 bracket y plus 2. Remove the bracket. 7 3s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus 4 into y minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. Take all variable one side and constant term another side. That is 21y. This is minus 4y. If it comes here, it becomes plus 4y is equal to minus 8 plus 12. If it goes here, minus 12. Now add 21 plus 4 is 25y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. Both are negative numbers we can add and put minus 1. So 12 plus 8 that is 20. Y is equal to minus 20 divided by 5. Both are multiples of 5. We can cut 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are 20. So what is the answer? Y is equal to minus 4 by 5. It's clear? Y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Question number 6. The ages of Hari and Hari are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. It is given the ages of Hari and Hari. That is 5:7. So we can write it as 5x and 7x. So let the present ages of Hari and Hari be 5x years and 7x years respectively. Now what is given next? 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. What is the meaning of this sentence? After 4 years, their ages will be 3:4. 3:4, we can write it as 3 by 4 as a fraction, right? It is given in ratio, so we can write it as a fraction 3 by 4. So given 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. That is 4 years from now. What is the meaning of this sentence? 4 years after 4 years. Now he is 5x. So after 4 years it becomes 5x plus 4 and Hari's age will be 7x plus 4. We can write like this: 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Equal sign, that means we can cross multiply. We can write like this: 4 bracket 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket 7x plus 4. Now you have to remove the bracket. 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Now take all variable one side and constant term another side. This is plus 21x. If it goes here, it becomes minus 21x. 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 plus 16 comes here, become minus 16. Now one negative number and one positive number we have to subtract and put greater number sign. So 21 minus 20, that is 1x, and here 21 is greater number, so sign is minus. So we can write like this: minus x is equal to 12 minus 16. Again, one positive number, one negative number, we can subtract and put greater number sign. So 16 minus 12, that is 4, and put greater number sign, that is minus. That is minus x is equal to minus 4. Both side minus sign, so we can cut. So we can write like this: x is equal to 4. We got the value of x. Now we have to find the present age of Hari and Hari. It is 5x years. So substitute the value of x here, that is 4. So 5 4s are 20 years. And 7x, substitute the value of x here, that is 4. 7 4s are 20 years. That means Hari's age is 20 years and Hari's age is 28 years. It's clear? So we can write like this: hence, the present ages of Hari and Hari are 20 years and 28 years respectively. It's clear? Question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Question is clear? So here denominator is greater than numerator by 8. Numerator is not given, so we can write numerator as x. We are just assuming let the numerator be x. So what will be the denominator? That is greater by 8. That means greater means plus. So denominator be x plus 8. It's clear? Let numerator be x, then denominator be x plus 8. Now read the question again. If the numerator is increased by 17, what is the meaning of increased? Plus. Numerator is x. Increased means plus. So x plus 17. And denominator is decreased by 1. Decrease means minus. And that is x plus 8 minus 1. So right. Given if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. So we can write like this equation: x plus 17, x means numerator, increased by 17, increase means plus. So we can write x plus 17 divided by denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator we got x plus 8, decreased means minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Again cross multiplication. So that is 2 bracket x plus 17 is equal to 3 bracket x plus, it is 8 minus 1, that is 7. So we can write x plus 7. Now remove the bracket. 2 into x, 2x, 17 2s are 34 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 7s are 21. It's clear? Now take all variable one side and constant term another side. This is plus 3x. If it comes here, become minus 3x. Plus 34 goes here, become minus 34. So that is 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. Again one positive number, one negative number we have to 2x minus 3x is minus is equal to one positive number, one negative number we have to 21 minus 34. Number sign is here minus. Subtract and check the answer. 34 minus 21, that is 13. You can write like this: minus x is equal to minus 13. Now both the signs minus sign, x means what? Numerator. So we got numerator is equal to 13. So what will be the denominator? It is 13 plus 8. That is 21. It's clear? X is equal to 13. So x plus 8 is equal to 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. We have to find rational number. Rational number form. That means numerator divided by denominator. 13 divided by 21. Hence, the rational number is equal to 13 divided by 21. Students, we have completed lesson 2, that is linear equations in one variable. I hope this exercise 2.6 is clear for you. Today's homework is the remaining sums from your workbook. Complete lesson 2 in your workbook. If you have any doubt in your textbook sums, that is examples and workbook weight problems, you can ask me in the group. Complete your maths notebook as well as your workbook. Thank you.